ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಿಸಿಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಫೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ಸೂಪರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಚ್ any file instantly and sort everything neatly. Namaskara friends, welcome back to TeachMeAK. In this lesson we'll learn file search and sorting, which is one of the most useful skills for students, working professionals and everyone. By the end of this lesson, friends, you easily search any file, sort your folders, use filters and overall keep your computer super organized. Let's begin. If you ask me why file search is important, see, searching files saves time, avoids confusion and helps you quickly find school assignments, office documents or personal photos. Once sarti ee skill bandre ನಿಮ್ಮ daily computer usage smooth ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now, where to search? You can search files in 4 places. One is Start Menu search. Second one is File Explorer search bar. Third one is Quick Access. And lastly, directly inside a folder. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೇ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Now let's see step by step how to search files. Firstly, open File Explorer. On the top right corner ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈವನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ನೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ದ ಫೈಲ್ ಟು ಓಪನ್ ಇಟ್. You can even make the search smarter using small tricks. Type project, notes, photo, etc. or add file type to it like report.pdf, image.jpg. ಡೇಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now let's understand what is meant by sorting. Sorting means arranging files in a particular order. It helps you quickly see what you need, just like arranging books on a shelf. You can sort files by name, date modified, type and size. Example, exam files sort by date, photos sort by type. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now let's see the steps how to sort files. To sort files, simply right click inside a folder and choose sort by. Choose name, date, type or size. Immediately folder rearrange ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Simple and clean. Now let's see the difference between filter and sort. Sorting changes the order of all files, whereas filters show only the selected types of files. Examples, only images, only PDFs, only recent files. Two are different, but both are useful. Now let's see how you can search and sort together. For best results, use both together. Search notes, then sort by date. Or search project, sort by name. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It's practice time. Create a documents folder with 5 subfolders. And secondly, rename 3 messy folders into clear names. Try it and comment your experience. ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. Search for 3 files on your computer. Sort any one folder by name and then by date. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Thanks friends for learning with TeachMeAK. Next video would be on how to copy and paste using USB drive. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Free notes link is available in our WhatsApp and Telegram group. Join the community to get all the materials.